how to use Visa card on Play Store. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use Visa card on Play Store. Okay, so first you have to open your Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now what you're going to do here is you have to select payments and subscriptions. Tap on payment methods. But before that, there is this option here, redeem a code. So if you want to redeem code, just go to this section, paste or enter the code, and then tap redeem. But for our tutorial, we're going to use the Visa card. It's the same, whether using your debit or credit card. Select add credit or debit card. Enter your Visa gift card details such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Tap save to add a card to your account. So this is the sample. This is what it looks like. Let's just say this is your Visa card number and you can now use this one. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.